Hi, my name is Ben Jansen from Rensburg. I'm the owner of a solar company called Affordable Power Solutions. Today we are here with one of our clients. His name is Mr. Piet Botes. And I would like, Piet, if you can tell us why did you think of putting solar in your home and in your business, and how did it work for you so far?
We've got a company called Wondernut. Uh, we're selling different organic stuff over the world and international. And we're working on a lot of our work is being done on internet. All our correspondence is on internet. And when Sasolburg got load shedding, then the Wi-Fi is off, the computers is off, and it depends on the load shedding. If it's an hour or 4 hours load shedding, then your people sitting in office and you have to pay them for the day, and so you have to pay salaries and you're losing money. And we decided to look at solar. So we had a couple of people come to give us some quotations, but if you look at some people, you wonder how the work will look. So our paths was crossing with Ben, and Ben come and give us a quotation, and we decided to use Ben to put in. The first one was the office that we put the 8 kilowatt in, and the next one was the house, and then my mother-in-law's house, a 5 for her and a 8 for the house. And our electricity was running 25,000 a month, and we're off now to 5 to 6,000 a month on electricity between the house and the business itself. Sorry, and so we decided we want to go off the grid. That's why Ben is actually here, not only for the video, but to give me a quotation to lift the system to a 16 kilowatt system so that we can go off the grid. The workmanship that Mark did, the electrician that did our work at the office and at my house, was excellent. I'm a millwright myself, and I couldn't find any defects on the work that he'd done. We've been situated on the moment. Any person can use him. It's a legit business. The workmanship is great. Great people to work with, and they monitor your system and your battery system. I'm using the lithium batteries on 2 of the systems, and they was contact me and told me that the Wi-Fi didn't send the right signal out. There's some alterations that I have to do on the system, and we did the alterations on the Wi-Fi, and Mark phoned me afterwards and say now the signal is 100%. They can monitor my system. So I don't ever look at my system. They look after the system for me. So if people ask me now what's going on your inverter, I can't tell them because I don't look at it. That's your people that's looking after it. So that's why I only use Ben, and I will use Ben in future for 2 more places that I want to put solar on. I recommend it Ben highly. There's no other person that I will use on solar.
Thank you so much, Piet. And tell me something, you mentioned load shedding. Since we put our system in, I don't know how long ago, was it 7 months, 8 months?
I think it's 8 months now.
8 months ago. How's the load shedding in the past 8 months?
Well, I don't know anything about load shedding. Not at the office, not at home. I check my TV and we carry on at the office. then somebody will come from next door and say, we see your lights is burning, do you got power? And you say, yes, I've got power, but I'm a solar power. Then they say, oh, it is load shedding. So I don't even know when the power is going off or when the power is coming off, on, I don't know. The system is working so brilliant. If it's load shedding, I don't even recognize it on the lights or something. So for me, it's the way to go.
And you see, it's one thing to ask someone the day after installation, are you happy? Because then they're still happy.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We're here 8 months later, and it's running like day one. Because normally you start learning your system. If there's any problems, you'll know it like a couple of days afterwards. So past 8 months, no problem, and it won't give you any problems. A system like Piet's, the design life is 20 to 25 years. As Piet also mentioned, the electrician that was here is Mark, he's one of our electricians, and we also monitor all our systems via internet. So we work countrywide, so even if you are 500 kilometers away from where we are, it's very easy to via internet monitor your system. We can even do certain settings and changes should you wish. Piet, thank you very much. I really appreciate you talking to us today.
Ben, thanks a million.